Hello and welcome to your Thursday, January 28th day weather video update. It's been milder over the last couple of days, and today and Friday for the most part and across much of the state going to continue to have above average temperatures. We're going to start to see some really windy conditions developing though tonight into Friday and Friday night for most of the state. And as the jet stream begins to move in from the west northwest, we'll start to see some snow returning to the western mountains as we head into late tonight into Friday. Let's dive right into your forecast here now. I mentioned about the jet stream coming in from the west northwest as we head into Friday, and let's take a look at what happens when you have mild moist air flowing in from the Pacific. As it reaches the Rockies, it's forced to rise, and as air rises, it cools, it condenses, and cool air can hold less moisture than warm air, so we start to see precipitation fall. And during the fall, winter, and spring months here in the Rockies, this is in the form of snow. It can be some heavy snow as the air then moves back down the lee or eastern side of the Rockies. It expands as it warms and lowers in elevation. Thusly, it can hold more moisture again, so the snow and or then rain during the summer months begins to dissipate. And over the next couple of days, we're going to be looking at a strong jet stream moving in from the west northwest, and this is going to bring some good orographic snows to Wyoming and much of the west. Here is your jet stream map valid for today. Jet stream is moving in from the Pacific. It's headed into the northern Rockies, and come late today on into tonight and Friday, we're going to be looking at some pretty heavy snows developing across the northern and northwestern mountains, especially the Wind, Rivers, and Absarokas. Notice as we move into Friday night, the jet stream then starts to drop a little bit south, and it also begins to strengthen. Friday night into Saturday, all of western and then also starting the southern mountains of the state going to be picking up some moderate to heavy snow. By Friday night into Saturday, continues to drop. Here's over the course of Saturday. Jet stream is now moving into Utah and Colorado and the southern section of Wyoming. Far southern mountains going to start to see the focus of some heavier snow likewise into Colorado as we head into Saturday. Also, as we head into Saturday and Sunday with the jet stream diving further south, we're going to start to see more of a northerly flow develop, and this is going to bring in some colder Canadian air as we head into this upcoming Saturday night and Sunday. And by Saturday night, the jet stream will be to our south with heavy snows then across the Snowies and Sierra Madres on into Colorado and Utah. Just how much snow are we going to be looking at over the next few days? Well, here's your forecast for Friday. You can see good snows out in the western and northern mountains, 4 to 7 inches in the Wind Rivers and Absarokas, also portions of the Wyoming range. Up here across the I-90 corridor, a little disturbance late tonight into Friday. We'll be producing some light snow and just enough to slick up roadways through the day. Friday, notice these very strong and gusty winds, especially along the I-80 corridor. Gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour possible in the Arlington Elk Mountain area, also between Cheyenne and Laramie, and in the Bordeaux area. Friday night into Saturday, snow starts to spread, and this is through 6 p.m. Saturday. Light snow across the central and northeastern plains, ongoing moderate to heavy snow in the western and southern mountains, still strong and gusty winds through early Saturday along the I-80 and I-25 corridor. And tomorrow we'll talk more about Saturday night into Sunday and how that'll start to affect all of southern Wyoming and into northern Colorado. Let's take a quick look at temperatures here for today and Friday. Mild through tomorrow for most of the state. Temperatures a good 10 to 12 degrees above average, and nighttime lows staying mild as well thanks to the strong and gusty winds. Saturday into Sunday, you'll notice it's starting to turn colder. We'll be looking at 30s across most of northern and central Wyoming, with still 40s in the southeastern plains, and by Sunday itself, highs 20s and 30s with nighttime lows down into the teens. Weather highlights: windy and warm Thursday and Friday. Light snow showers far north late tonight and early Friday, including I-90. Some heavy mountain snows return to the far west on Friday, turning colder Saturday and Sunday. Snow spreading east and south Saturday into Sunday, then cold with possible snow Monday, especially I-80 on south. Thanks for tuning in, and check back in tomorrow for your weekend details.